Good afternoon everyone, my name is Jacob from Asia Group. Today I'm going to offer you a job offer, and for today a company named Murasaki Co. is offering a full-time job for 3 people. It is a cleaning job and it is located in Sakura City, and the time of your work will start at 8:30 a.m. to 17:30 p.m. and the salary ranges from 192,000 yen to 240,000 yen, and bonuses are possible, so that's plus. And there are Saturday and Sundays off-duty work, and there is a requirement that is needing a Japanese daily conversation skills. For more information, please contact our support, and if you are near Tokyo, please visit our nearest office. Have a nice day.